Those different cask finish, they are really kind of amazing because it brings some complexity to the whiskey, and especially the Madeira one, because it's been matured 13 years, which is truly unique on the market. It's really kind of toffee, chocolate, really rich and complex whiskey. So I'm going to start with, let's say, 10 mint leaves, which I'm going to tap in the bottom, just to release the minty flavor. So nice. 10 ml of rose syrup. Not too much. And let's say 60 of the Madeira Cask. And then we're gonna stir it. Get everything together. Crushed ice. It's a little bit like a mint julep, but with rose instead. And just pour it on top of it. Et voilà, a piece of mint. Et voilà.